Hello friends! For several reasons a starter is the first to suffer during a cold start. Thickened oil makes it difficult to rotate the crankshaft. The battery uses more energy to start the engine. Gasoline evaporates more slowly and ignites poorly. The viscosity of diesel fuel increases, and it's more difficult for it to slip into the seep into the combustion chamber. All this together leads to the fact that a cold start of the car negatively affects the starter resource. Due to the increased energy consumption and excessive load, the likelihood of insulation back down between the windings or their completely failure increases. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.